So today I'm gonna add USB support to the camera, mostly mass storage and recording with a USB mic. So in the settings there will be a option that says transfer to USB. It'll go to a menu and it'll detect if there's a USB device attached. Mass storage. This is a USB OTG cable, so yeah, plug that in, and then later on I'll have to 3D print a thing that holds this. I was thinking like that, and then a USB mic can just be plugged in and it'll record audio that's synced with the video. It would be nice to find like an L-shaped mic, but I don't know. I mean, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Okay, so this is the camera window. You got an option like transfer files. That'll open a new menu. Let's say USB detected, or just say no USB. This will be like a thread polling thing that's looking for devices, and then if it's there, or like here, I guess you'll just click transfer. Well, that'll be highlighted. No, there should be two options. Cancel. Way to get back out. Back to here. And then, so the moving the stuff is straightforward. Once you've got the thing mounted, you just use common Linux commands. I'd probably use CP and then file, the path. That'll be in like a for loop. And then there won't be like an progress transfer. It'll just say like transferring 1 out of 11 or something. And then I guess you could have a cancel button if you really wanted to stop it. And it'll say like transfer complete. And then back, which you can also hit back. Actually, I guess I'll just move back to the menu when it's done. It's funny because there is a dedicated back button on the UI, across the D-pad. But yeah. So that's the one thing. And then the microphone stuff. The code I wrote for MLHackCam before, it records the time in fixed lengths, like time, because it sets the sample based on how long it is. So when I record a video, let's say a minute is probably how long it's gonna be, but it'll be recorded in like 10-second chunks, and then these 10-second chunks have to be merged back into one and joined with the MP4 file, which right now the H.264 to MP4 process is not a separate thread. Like, it blocks the camera from being usable, so that has to become a thread. But what's bad is that process can take a bit. Like, the longer the video, the longer it takes to turned it to MP4, and I'll like forget and just turn the camera off, and then they'll have a corrupted MP4 file, which thankfully this last time I still have the original H.264s. Like, I thought I deleted them in FileZilla, but it just showed them as empty, but didn't actually delete them. So that was lucky. Yeah, that's something I'll consider too, but mass storage thing, right now I'm transferring stuff by SFTP, and USB in theory is faster because it's wired, but it's also USB 2, and I've moved stuff there before and it is slow, so and I'll just throw in a delete option too, because that'll be I don't have to like remote into it to delete it. Okay, so these are the tasks that have to be done in order to do all this stuff I talked about here. And actually, I was screwing around with this before. Let's test USB. Yeah. So MMC BLK, that's the bulk, that's the onboard storage SD card. And I'll plug in, this does work, but it doesn't have pretty naming. And I was looking at a Stack Overflow post how to get the pretty names out, so I'll probably use that. So I just plugged in a USB device. Now you see something is in there. SDA1. So there'll be like a poll running and it'll detect that that's plugged in, and then I should also do like a file size check, make sure it can fit in there. So that'll be interesting. I didn't think about that. You can use like DFH, but that's for, I don't know if it'll work for this one. You gotta mount it, right? Yeah, I don't know this command off the top of my head, but I've used it before. Mount. But yeah, make sure that there's enough space in there to transfer, and then start moving the files in. But yeah, I want that pretty name so you can definitely tell, like, okay, that's the one I want to use. Which it kind of doesn't matter too, because like the code will transfer the files anyway. I don't know what happens if there's a microphone plugged in. Let me see. What does that look like? It broke, that's what happens. Interesting. Yeah, I lost connection. I guess it went down by plugging that mic in. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, I've used it before with the Pi 4. Although the Pi 4 has dedicated USB ports, not USB OTG, so I don't know if that matters. I can just try one too and see, but I think I have to turn it back on. Alright. Fine. Bring it back up. Alright, so let's back up. SSH into it. So the SD card is plugged in, or not SD card, the USB. Now it's gone. Now let's plug in the microphone. It dies. Interesting. Why does it die? That's interesting. Huh. Damn. I think I can figure it out with the D message. Maybe. Says inrush current of the USB device pulls the 5 volt line below. GPU will reset. I see. Alright, we're gonna try powering it on when it's plugged in. Let's see if it comes back up. It's booted. Alright, we're in. Oh, it doesn't show up as a USB device, but I think it's there. Let me take the sound code out of MLHackCam. Let's see, where is it? Let's record. Alright, I'll write that into a file and try it. Ah, crap. I think I have Bookworm on here, so I have to do like... double check that. Python 3Pi audio. It's just called Python. Let's try it. Oh yeah, this is the link I was looking at that looked good. How it spits out this object. That's great. So that's probably what I'll use. Just to... This is interesting right here. Recompile. Now let's try the mic. Test, test, test. Talking, talking. Lavalier, lavalier, lavalier. Talking. How long does this record? 10 seconds? 10 seconds? Huh? I don't know. I just close it? No. Range, seconds, record seconds 5. That was longer than 5 seconds. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, there's a problem, huh? Cards, HDMI. Open slave. Oh crap, I have to write an answer, which is not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. There's your WAV file. Then we can transfer it to check it out. Is it here? Cam files, okay. One, 2, 3, 4. That's good. Alright, so it works. That choice is weird though. I don't know if that happens every time. Let's try it. Oh, yeah. That sucks. Let's see. Not that. How? Alright, let me look at the code, because this automatically works. Oh. Maybe it's just mic. Cord. Lavalier. Oh, damn. I just string match it. Okay. That's not good. I mean, that's not a... Oh, crap. For the sake of getting this done, and I only have one microphone, I'll do that. But ideally, there's some way to figure it out. I mean, you could also, like... You know which ones are not... You know, like sysdefault, SPDF, default. Those are not... Or, I mean... Those are not variable, like they're always there, so you'd have to assume the one that's new is the right choice. Let me plug in the mass storage. Hopefully it doesn't die. Okay, it's not dead. So it doesn't pick up the USB, that's good. Okay, so we got something to go on there. I'll go write some code and then I'll come back with what I've done. What I've done. Erase myself. Damn, rest in peace. Okay, I just want to point out I did try this code out from Stack Overflow. This one here where it lists the devices in pretty names. It does look good, like Taiwan, flash drive, lavalier, microphone. That's great, but using this thing will require like a view for the user to select the device, and then you have to store it somewhere, which I have a database, SQLite. It stores the battery life, or uptime rather, and max uptime based on the battery profile. So I'm not really trying to do that because I want to get this done in a day. And my hardware isn't going to change. Like, I'll always use the same microphone, probably the same flash drive. And this code needs to be overhauled in the future, and another device will be made. So it's just like a conceptual, get something working project. It's not ideal. But yeah, so I'm not gonna do a thing where you can see the pretty names and choose. It'll just assume the one. And then I guess what I should do is defensively program it where if it fails, I can still use the camera in the field. So yeah, I just want to show you can get really nice names. This is in the browser just because of the formatting. You can see I took the here. I ran it here. You can see it's a binary string, the B, and you gotta take that out to proper JSON to have the console pick it up. So yeah, gonna keep going though. Okay, so this is kind of a pointless piece of code, but I started integrating it. So main pulls in USB, and then it's called here on startup. Then USB, when it's initialized, it starts scanning for devices. And I did use that pretty name just to get some insight. If it literally says microphone in the name, that should help figure out which device to use. Although may not be helpful for the actual microphone piece, where it's it asks you to choose one. I could try it and then default to the one choice. It'll be wrapped in a try catch, so if it fails, the recording can still continue without audio or something. But yeah, so this here, scan devices, this returns the array of devices with the pretty names. You can see that here. ID tag device, that's the path you use to mount it or whatever. So, and then this just does a device count 0, that's the first run, sets it, and then subsequent runs it's going through this path. Then the device count doesn't equal this one, something was added or removed, it updates it. That's what I mean by it's pointless, you're not really using that info for anything. But yeah, so that's there, and then when I run it, this takes a bit to start up. You can see it polling with that 5-second or half-second delay. Alright, so at this point it's running. If I unplug the mass storage device, it detected it. Plug it in, detected it. It should have increased. Where is it? That's the microphone. Does it not say flash? Am I blind? These look too close. These seem lavalier. Terminus, hub, Linux, tag. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, flash drive. That's weird that they're... Oh, it's 4 lines. Okay, I see why. New device. Alright. Well, it detects that it changed. Okay, anyway, so we've got that. And then I have to integrate the mic with the recording process now. Kinda what was the other thing I was supposed to do? Mic recording, file transfer. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd say mic is harder than file transfer, so I'll start on that first. Okay, so it's time for another update. At this point, I made a new microphone folder. You can see it in here. Microphone folder is new, USB folder is new. Those were integrated into main. They are imported, and then when startup happens, which pulls everything up like battery, utils, display camera, menu, all that, there's USB. And then when this runs, calls start, that's the thread scan. Since that's a thread, that's like a branch off, so there's no guarantee that this is available. I guess I could throw a delay in here. It slows down the startup even more. Time.sleep 1. So that should be available there. That sucks, right? Thing is, I can put it in here, but then it's like an extra process. But I think I'd rather do that than add a delay here. Same as this. So, first one will be here. It can run here because self mic available. This is main, self main mic. I don't think I can import it here. Everything works through main. I guess I'll put one in here. Yeah, pass main into it. So over here, it'll say and self.main.mic none start mic. What is this? God, why? Okay, so yeah. And then I modified the camera where it does video recording. I moved the name down in here where it first starts running so that it can pass it in here, start recording, and then if you look at microphone, start recording. What I did is take the example code from here, which this is from ML HackCam too, but I separated it into like blocks, and this code is based on a fixed time, like 5 seconds. So if the recording flag is still on, which I have to set that somewhere actually. Yeah, start recording. So it'll do the 5 seconds, and then has to call stop. It'll write that to a file, takes the file name, dash, chunk, then wave. Oh crap, where does it go? Oh, that's defined by the camera file name. Doesn't have the base path though, I need to add that. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's the full path, and then if it's still recording, oh crap, yeah, we see stop recording here, mic recording false. Alright, so there it'll stop whenever that 5-second chunk is done. Oh man. Which sucks because... So I think this is what should trigger the build of the video. Is it like that? Mic available? Where is it? Oh, I guess it does not equal none. Equals none, you can do this process here. Otherwise that process will run here. It's supposed to be a separate thread, but I've not thought of a way yet to... Well, this will obviously run because this file wouldn't run if it's not there. Yeah, this thing here is blocking. Like, the UI will not update until this is done. The problem is, like, if I make it a thread, then the camera GUI, like, it looks like it's done, unless I have a message somewhere that I don't forget about. So it's almost better that you're forced to wait for it, but it sucks when you're trying to record something and you have to wait for it to finish. So that's something I'll think about. So yeah, now everything should be wired together and I can record a video. And the audio is not merged though, so I have to add a FFmpeg thing with that. I have to merge the audio files, audio chunks, and I have to join it with the MP4. So let's test the whole process real quick. So go into toggle mode, click it, start recording, test, 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 test. Alright, so we're at 8 seconds. Oh damn, it keeps going. Up that mic. Oops, that's main. Alright, so that was a fail. stop this. It's probably gonna be corrupted files. Alright, delete that. That was the video file. Run this again. Dumb. There we go. Alright, let's run this. Alright, recording. Test. We'll let it get past 5, 6, 7, 8. Main.mic. Recording. What did it say? None type? Oh man. Why? Self.usb. USB is there. Self.usb. Mic available. Supposed to set it here too. Self.mic available and self main mic was none. Self main start mic self mic equals microphone. Self main mic recording. False. Main mic recording. False. This has a reference to main, right? It does. Self main. That's still going. Failed to stop. Why? I think this is one of those cases where the past value isn't live, or like it's the initialization value, so it's blank. Why is that? USB is supposed to run. It's already scanning. Mic available. Mic should be available. Self-main mic is none. Alright, fine, let's check it. I love the girl with magic wave. Yes. Got like 3.5 more hours before I gotta go leave. Donate more plasma for money. I shouldn't be doing this, but it's my weekend, and I'm gonna take it off. 1, 2, 3. I should be making money, is what I'm saying. Freelancing 7. Untype. So what happened? Avail false none. Avail false. Ah, damn. This isn't working. This is gonna be nasty. It's gonna dump like string, but it'll be good to see what's going on. Integration test? I haven't been a developer for like 6 months, and I feel like I'm not even sure if I can be employed again. I'm amazed it lasted this long though, as far as like not declaring bankruptcy after something. So it's there. Mike. Oh, uppercase, baby. Okay, fine. Let me look up something real quick. Alright, let's do that. It's not gonna work though, because it's not a regular string, it's a binary string. Forget it. We'll do... How about this? Or be Mike in device tag. I'll put an option here. Storage. But again, that will run into capital. Okay, I could do that. If device, no, we do Mike in device tag decode ASCII lower. Let's look that up right here. I'm still a Stack Overflow believer. If God damn. Or no, storage. He's learning, guys. Come on, look at that. Dry, baby. Alright. So we do that. That should work. Let's try it. no. Am I stuck here? No, it's running. It's just the dump. Okay. It's not recording. What happened? Int. Ah, en serio, cabrón. Alright, what is it? Chunk ID. Oh, where is it? It's in... here. String. 19 minutes, alright. Yes. Alright. Almost there. Almost there. No. Toggle mode, record, on, oh, it's white screen. Segmentation fault, great. Great! What happened? Wait. Start recording has to be a thread, right? Damn it. Yeah. Otherwise it'll block the video. Or I start the video and then I record the mic. Stella, what was the deal with the seg fault? Oh no, it has to be a thread because it won't be able to stop. Oh, Jacob. Alright, so we'll import threading here. What is it? Thread target equals self dot start recording. And we'll set the file name here so you don't have to pass it in. Is that a thing? Self file name? Yeah. And this doesn't need it. It'll just know. Where is it? Self main mic dot record. Alright, let's try it. On. Oh no, it already failed. Input overflowed. Damn. What do you mean? Audio input overflowed. That's odd. Why? Why did I break his legs? 44, 100, 512. Chunk. Chunk rate. Device ID. Oh crap, did I ever set the device ID? No. Damn. Not bad. That would help. Oh, we have a freaking audio file. Wave. What am I doing? I gotta run it again. Right. Oh, damn it. That's crazy. I can't remember how many times I've donated plasma. You always insert the needle in your arm. 17 gauge. It's like, ah! I mean, I watch it go in, like, but still, like, goddamn, that's a big needle. Alright, tap. 1. Ah, it's still the same. Chunk. That's not good. What is wrong? Lavalier. Oh, do we have the device dump? No. Start recording. Audio format, self.format. I already tested the, hold on. This was it. P and 16, okay. Device info. I love the girl with magic way. Oh, look at that. I ran into this problem before. You see? Oh, yeah, right here. Audio input overflowed. Okay. Alright. So it's normal. Where is it? Stream read. Exception on overflow. False. Ah, man. Why did I do that? Why? And I'll put that reference in there. Alright, fine, let's do it. This will be the one. And I'll clear this out. Oh, there isn't one this time. When you whisper in my ear, it's magic. The mic is pretty good, like the quality. Alright. Record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Recording saved. 0. Oh no, there's only 0. There isn't 1. Crap, that's not good. What happened? Stop recording. Self chunk +1. So, oh, I didn't update the file name. Damn it. Shit. What do I do? File name. Where is it doing the appending here? Well, I went down yonder in the cabin. Actually, this should be fine. Start recording. Oh, I see. So we gotta. It'll have a file name still set here. You can reset it. File name equals blank. Self file name. Yeah, there should be 2 files though, not just one. Try this again. Just trying to see why. Let's see. Start the recording. Does the 5 seconds. Stop. Close. Terminate. Saves the 1 file. That's the 0. Close. Self-recording. Chunk ID plus equal 1. Uses it up there. Start recording. Goes through it again. Stop recording. It should save another one. Start recording 1, but 2 are given. Where's that from? Start recording. Well, learn how to swim and learn how to live. Oh, damn. I gotta pass a reference there somehow. I forgot how to do that. Oh, no. So. Oh, wait. What did it say? 1, 2 are given. Segfault. What? Is this the same thing? Yeah. What was I trying to find? Fix that. The thread. Passing a parameter into it. Do I need to? Self. Damn. Let me run it again. It's bothering me that the D-pad has a give. Because it was lightly glued. No. Up. Start recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. What? Base path. No, you just use the entire file name. Freaking Base Star, Battlestar Galactica. Base Star. Oh, there we go. We got 0, 1. That's good. Just drag that over here real quick. Alright. It's here. How is it? -0. Oh, okay, yeah. That works. Oh, that's weird. It recorded 10 seconds. How does that work? What? That's odd. That was like an error, but it sounds correct. How does that make sense? Like the record frames. Right frames. Channels. Chunk. I don't think that's right? Because I mean, instead of 5, it's 10. But the duration. Pen data. Oh, interesting. I'm gonna try it. It seems like I can just build that because it's data. It just means that I can have one single file, like in the end. If I just keep overwriting it. The whole point of the chunk ID was to, I might not even need it. So if I take that out, alright, let's try this out. Where's that? I lost my freaking display. Alright, that's funny. Whoops. Oh my god, I have to move everything on the other monitor. Damn you, Windows. Alright, whatever. Mac has that problem too. Alright, let's record. 1, 2, 3. We'll go to 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. It's stuck on 11. Segfault. Alright, so I guess we do need to split them up. Alright, fine. I gotta eat. Alright, let's see. No. Toggle mode, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stuck on 11. Oh, that's not good. Segval, baby, why? Does it say the error? Let me see. It just says seg fault. Damn. I don't understand why. Stop. Where's record frames used? Just there. Let's reset here. Close. Why is it seg fault? Stream.read. Self.chunk 512. Interesting. I have it as 4096 on my MLHackCam implementation. 44100. Records in 10 seconds. I'll bump it up to 10. Delete all these. Two, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, stuck on 19. Seg fault. Damn. Why? It's recording the 10-second files. do you figure out why? Message. Faulting. It works, but then it doesn't. This one, 654. What would it be? Who can it be knocking at my door? Audio terminate. Oh, wait a minute. Self. Not keep recording. I just see this in the ML Hack Cam one. Stop stream, close. On ML Hack Cam, I could record as long as I wanted to, so I did it right here. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, God! Oh, man, my neck. Oh, my neck! Two, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 21, 22, 23. Alright, we're past the problem. 24, 25. Let's go up to a minute. I'll just cut this part. 132. You can see it in here building up files. These are 10-second bytes or recording clips. 2, 43, 44, 45, 46. Go to a minute. $102. Alright. There should be 6 of them. Yep, there we go. Let's check this one. -5. Nice. Alright, so that's working. Next thing I'll do is add the FFmpeg commands that merge those files into one and then produces the MP4. Yeah, it made it here, but it doesn't have the audio included in it, so I'll have to merge them after joining. Oh, there's 7 files. I guess that makes sense. It's beyond 60 seconds. That's interesting right there. The silence will be at the end, so it'll just trim it from the right side. Okay, so I finally got this to work. Just kept running into like dumb problems. Yeah, all the FFmpeg stuff runs as expected. So I switched the recording to 5 seconds because when you hit stop, say it's at like 3 seconds, or like 8, 3 seconds after 5, you gotta wait 2 seconds after before it's done. When it's 10 seconds and you're at 3, then you gotta wait 7. It's like, that's time where you're not aware of it, still processing. And then this is all like I linked where I got these from, but for example here you can merge audio files by chaining them, concat. The number of files correlates to this right here, like 0 index, 1, 2, 3, and then N4. So I had to build that here. Oh, I can take the print stuff out now. And then you can see my test runs here. So this is the original video file, and this is the audio files that it records. They're fixed sample rates, or times, like every 5 seconds. It joins those into one, and then it merges the MP4, which comes from the H.264. It merges them together into this final one, which is MP4. And I have already tried that out and it works. So this final file has the audio built into it. So yeah, and I think I mentioned before, I'm not gonna add I'm thinking about it, I don't know, to add a message on the screen that says processing. The problem is, if there's more than one, how do you deal with that? And then also the home screen, the refresh is at 5 minutes right now. It would have to be updated to 30 seconds or something to capture this. Probably 10 seconds, This is another problem to consider, but at the very least, you won't have complete file loss even if that process fails, because all the originals are in here still. Yeah, so there's recording with a mic, and I did test it where I unplugged the mic and the audio still records, or not audio, the video still records without audio. It just skips it. There's checks in camera, here, if mic's available, record, stop. There's no mic, do the FFmpeg stuff here. But if there is a mic, it does it here, and it does the audio joining there. H.264 to MP4, that's this code here, and then it joins them together right here. And then I just ran 2 tests, multi-single file, they work. So yeah, that just means the file count is nasty now. I'm gonna have to update that. That's in utils. It'll count images and WSound or raw well, it should just count H.264 actually. The problem is that is in other strings, so file names. But yeah, that's just another nice to have. This is misleading to see it on the display I think there's more files than there are. So that's it. I'm gonna split this up into 2 parts because I still have to. Oh yeah, let me update this. Got that done at. I did do that. Alright, yeah, so I'll produce this video for the mic. I'll do an external video at the end here to show it working. Okay, so here I'll demo the microphone feature that was added. There's the live feed right there. Back, toggle mode, tap to record. It's recording video. Clicking. This is the microphone right here. It's a long string boy lavalier. Alright, then we'll just hit stop. Oh crap. Slipped. Stop. Recording saved. That's the thread. Like it immediately ends. But it's still processing in the background. And you don't know that. But yeah, looking at SFTP like it's already there. So I'll drag that over here. Well, oh yeah, and then there's the transfer speed. I'll just play it in the video itself. You'll know that it has audio. It's a long string boy. This is the microphone right here. Tap to record. It's recording video. Click it. Stop. Oh crap. Slipped. Stop. Lavalier. Alright, then we'll just did discover a mistake. The audios were like backwards, so I fixed that. Record. So start is left, finger comes in from the left. End is right, finger comes in from the right. Let it run a little bit more. It does keep the extra audio, so the last frame is frozen and then the audio keeps running. So that's there. I'll play the video after this. Record. So start is left, finger comes in from the left. End is right, finger comes in from the right. Let it run a little bit more. It does keep the extra audio.